how you doing? It's me Janamber and welcome back to my beauty channel, but today's video is about health. Guys, I have a different video. You know, if you follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, that I've been struggling with my health a lot in the last 2 years. It's been struggle with my health a lot. I was diagnosed with autoimmune disorder, Hashimotos thyroiditis, which is, it's a living hell, not gonna lie, but I realized that everything is getting better and better right now. I feel much better. I feel emotionally and physically better. I have a better results right now. My thyroid stimulating hormone went down to 4.75, which is almost perfect. And I'm so excited. I still have antibodies, but I am happier because emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, I feel much better. I have been doing a lot of things. I have changed so many diets. I have tried so many products. I read so many books, and I narrowed down today 10 products, supplements, books, tea, everything that I went through, that I detox, what kind of stuff I'm using, what I'm doing in order to be healthier. And the most important thing about that, I lost weight. I am fit right now without even putting too much effort working out. I work out once a week only in the gym on my own, and I do not need a personal trainer anymore. I do not need to manage my body weight anymore because it's naturally coming with diet and certain things that I do right in my life. And I want to share with you guys, maybe you are someone that you have autoimmune disorder, maybe you don't have Hashimoto's, but there is multiple autoimmune disorder. Everything what I'm going to show you today, guys, it's good for everything. Even if you have a fatigue and you never been diagnosed with the autoimmune disorder, maybe your periods irregular, maybe you have acne, which is a sign that your hormones are off, I might going to be able to help you. So number one, what helped me the most? Number one, the most, I think without this book, I wouldn't be today where I am. And I've been dealing with so many health issues, from chronic yeast infection that was never ending. I don't have yeast infection for more than half year already, thank God, because this was a hell. I do not have fatigue. I do not have a crazy mood swing. I was so mad, I was cranky, I was mad at everybody, and everybody were at fault for me not feeling well, but I realized this is me, it's nobody else. So this book is from Dr. Natasha Campbell. She is a Russian British doctor that she wrote this book, GAPS, Gut and Psychology Syndrome. I read this book probably 4 or 5 months ago, and I remember I shared already one of my videos, but this book, guys, I'm not gonna lie, when people say change my life, it's not accurate. I say this book, this woman saved my life. Like literally saved my life, because I have days, nobody knows this, I had days when I was thinking, what will happen if I died? And when you have struggles with your health, it's not easy, and especially at this young age, me 33 years old, and I'm already sometimes was feeling like a 85 years old, 95 years old lady about to die. And I read this book, and slowly I started doing what she says, all the recommendations, and the foods I changed completely. I have my mind very strictly that vegetables and fruits can transform your skin, and this is what I should eat only. And I was vegan and I was vegetarian for 2 years. And when I realized that being vegetarian, it might be destroyed my body. Now, if you're vegan, if you're vegetarian, I get it. If you're healthy, that's fine, but we are all different. Some people can be vegan, some people cannot be vegans, and some people, they have only carnivore diets. But this is what is for me, what happened to me. So I shift my diet more from grains and dairy towards meat. A lot of healthy pasture-raised organic meats. Number one that I changed. Vegetables, I started cooking in the low heat, but cooked almost all vegetables. Fruits, yes, but I cut, before I had the yeast infection, I cut fruits completely for 1 month too. It was really bad because I was feeling tired, fatigue, body aches, flu, stiffy nose, my gums were bleeding. I was having like a random weird rashes on my body, my hair started falling, I had a dandruff, my skin started to be really extremely dry, I started age faster, and on, and the night sweats and the not sleeping enough, I just was like a miserable person. So once I started incorporate the foods, here even you can find the recipes about the food, the book is, guys, it's really, really amazing. So diet changed completely. If you want me to go into the details into diet, let me know down in the comments below. I'm gonna make video only about the diet, what I did and what helped me. So diet in this book is #1 that changed my health completely. Then I started taking enzymes. Enzyme is very, very important. I'm using 2 enzymes. When I finish this bottle, I have another bottle. I'm waiting right now actually for this bottle. This is from Biotics Research, betaine plus HP. So basically this is betaine hydrochloride, which helps your liver and your stomach and all your gut digest the food, because I wasn't digesting properly food. Wherever I was eating healthy foods, I ate more or less healthy all my life, my body wasn't absorbing. I had a leaky gut. I was diagnosed with a small intestine bacterial overgrowth, and that means I had a leaky gut. I still have a leaky gut. I still have issues, but this is like 10% only left for what I have 100% a year ago. So this supplement is amazing, and another one also is called Pure, is also very good. So I switched them because I don't want to use the same over and over and over. So digestive enzymes is very, very important. It helps your body digest the food, which you cannot. If you're this person when you're pooping and you have your poop floating on the top, that's not good. You need enzymes and start using as soon as possible. Now, I'm not a doctor. I don't know. Every person is different, but this is I'm sharing what helped to me. Then these probiotics, I wasn't able to use this probiotic once a week because I had a crazy die-off symptoms. So Mercola probiotics now I'm using twice a day, and I'm fine, and I don't have any yeast infection, and my skin got better and I feel much better. Another thing, teas. I have to drink a lot of teas to detox. Basically, detox is very, very, very important. Detox go together with sauna, with a bath. So this one I know doesn't have the brand or anything because I ordered from Amazon. I believe it gets shipped from Russia. It's called Siberian White, some herb that is not common here in the United States. It's actually smells really, really good. I'm gonna link down below of all the products, all the teas that I'm showing today. This is called heavy metal detox tea because I also was diagnosed with the mercury poisoning. So I'm doing this is very, very good to remove mercury from your body without doing crazy chelation. And chelation, what it does, many people do chelation, but it basically when you do chelate, you chelate everything, heavy metals and all the good cells and good nutrients come out from your body. This way it might gonna take slower, but it's more efficient. For me, I rather suffer a little bit, takes a little bit longer, but I know I'm going to be doing good for my body. I'm not like cold turkey and go extremely cold. This is another tea that I like. It tastes really disgusting. It's very bitter. You can add maybe a little bit of honey or something like that, something natural. This is dry wormwood, is for parasites in your body. Now I did a stool test, parasites test came negative, but I still use this tea because to prevent from something happening, and it's really nasty tea, but I do believe that it helped me. Now another thing, what I do is a lot of tubs. I lay down in the tub probably 3-4 times a week. I have never done this in my life that often, but I'm doing right now sauna often, but I don't have that much time for a sauna. So I just lay in the tub, I read the book, I lay 3-4 times a week, sometimes 5 times a week, half an hour, 1 hour, sometimes even 1 hour and a half. This doctor in this book tells how bath and sauna can help you. In a hot tub, lay down, and through the skin you're removing everything, toxin, viruses, bacteria, fungi, metals, heavy metals that are poison for your skin. Then what I changed completely, I changed my skincare. I changed to my skincare. That's why I have natural skincare serums and creams, guys. I sell on my website. If you don't know, it's jenamber.com. Everything natural. Also, what I don't sell is a SPF. This is my two favorite natural SPF. This one is from Australian Gold Mineral Lotion, non-greasy botanical sunscreen, broad spectrum 50, and this one from Cots Face Tinted. This is if you need a little bit of tint. 100 free of chemical sunscreen, preservatives and oils. This is very, very, very good. Then what I change also, this is my favorite deodorant, Ylang Calendula. Also, I have all the natural toothpaste and natural favorite creams. I'm gonna put links down below. I don't want this video to be too long. Then my favorite shampoo, natural shampoo, is this one, Plain Products, vegan, sulfate-free, color-safe, biodegradable formula. This is nice what this company actually doing. You can send them back this bottle, actually they will reuse it. I use everything natural. My household products, all detergents, sprays, soaps, shampoo, conditioner, everything is natural. Then another thing what I have, this is quite expensive, it's around 100 bucks, 90 bucks I believe. This is advanced TRS, toxin and contaminant removal system. It's very important to remove toxins from your body, because toxins is something that cause many things: allergies, arthritis, skin disorders, skin disease, many diseases are caused by toxin overload. When we live in this environment, what kind of air we breathe, what kind of food we eat, even if you buy organic food, but for example, this organic food was grown in the soil that is not nutritious. Our soil, especially here in the United States, it's no more nutritious. There is a lot of things going on in the agriculture life that is a huge topic. I can tell you guys, I can speak on and on and on and on. It's not what we eat, where we get the food from, what our tomatoes is coming from, what kind of soil you're buying from the local small farmers, or where are you getting from Walmart. There is no good food. I'm just being honest. Also, pasture-raised beef, like for example, all meats, chickens. Where chicken is growing, what kind of eggs are you eating? Is it in the cages, or is it outside in the pasture-raised, running happy in the sun? And very, very important, where your animal meat is grown and how the animal is killed is very, very important. I'm avoiding a little bit fish at this moment because I do have mercury, and fish kind of tricky thing to know from where it's really coming from, but wild caught fish for sure instead of farm raised fish. If you guys want really go into the details, maybe to show you how I cook and to show what I eat every single day, maybe I'm gonna make a video like, for example, what I eat for 3 days, you know, Monday, Wednesday and Thursday or something like that. I can make a video, just let me know. I changed everything to clean products, from clean supplement, clean cosmetics, clean food, clean household, clean environment. I also do enema. I'm gonna link enema kit also. I do enema on my own. I used to go to Cologne hydrotherapist, but it's quite expensive, so I do enema once a week or once every 2-3 weeks for myself. I started doing also fasting. Once a month I do fasting for 24 hours. I realized that this helped me a lot. But strongly guys, out of all these products, I recommend the most this book. It changed my life, and I don't say that this might going to change your life, but if you're really truly going to read and you're going to apply all the suggestions and tips and recommendations of the food from this doctor, you might going to heal. And with healing yourself, you healing your mind. Your mind is more clear. I know what I'm saying. I have a sharp focus. I was 2 days in the bed. It was in March, April. I was 2 weeks in bed without getting up. And remember guys, I filmed the video that I am not even able to film videos anymore because I feel shit, I feel crappy, I cannot work, I cannot function. I was only going to the bathroom to pee and eat a little bit. I lost a lot of weight. I'm gaining back my weight. I'm incorporating some foods back. I cut those foods just to eliminate infection, inflammation possible in my body. I'm still not perfect. I still have to do this diet for another year or two, but where I was before and where I am right now is a day and night, and I feel so much different. I feel so much love. I am more passionate about my work. I'm more passionate about filming YouTube videos. I'm more passionate with my partner, reading a lot of books, being just very active, working a lot, sometimes going to the mountains. I went a month ago to the mountains where my mind is also, we're detoxing my mind. It was like, oh my God, I saw the bear and everything, the live animals like in the wild. It was amazing. It's just, I will post down below all the listing. It's going to be like probably 20, not only products, 20 suggestions from me, what helped to me. And I am making this video in order to help you guys. If you're struggling with your health, and there are so many people on the planet that's struggling with the health, I really want to help you and I really want to inspire you. Maybe you're going to be this person, oh, I didn't know, you know, I should have done this, and maybe you're going to start feeling better sooner. And with that said, my acne cleared, my skin, I had like sort of like uneven skin tone, uneven skin redness, and everything right now is much better. I still have sometimes acne coming, especially in that spot. It's some more inflammation in my belly in the right. You know, guys, when you have a face acne, it's a face map showing what is happening in your body. Like if you have inflammation over here, there is inflammation somewhere down in your belly. If you have inflammation here, probably your lungs and stuff like this, there is a lot of information. I'm gonna put all this information down under this video in the description box. Check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe, click the red button, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. I will make more health related videos. I love you guys so much. Bye.